In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to protect your files and folders using Google Drive's sharing settings. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to secure their digital belongings, making sure they're only accessible to those you trust. Let's dive into it. First things first, you'll need to access Google Drive. Open your browser and navigate to the Google Drive website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and sign into your account. Simply enter your email and password associated with your Google account, and you'll be taken straight to your Drive. This is where all your files are stored, either those you've uploaded yourself or ones shared with you. Now that you're in, let's talk about how you can ensure these files are protected. The next step in securing your files is utilizing Google Drive's sharing settings. Find the specific file or folder you want to protect. Once you've located it, right-click on it. This will open a context menu with several options related to managing your file. From this menu, look for the option labeled Share and click on it. This is where you'll set your access preferences. Once the sharing settings window pops up, you'll see a section titled General Access. Here, you'll want to modify who can view or edit your file. Switch the setting to Restricted. By doing this, you're ensuring that access to this file is only available to people you explicitly specify. Let's keep it personal and controlled by entering only the email addresses of the individuals you want to give access to. Think of it as setting up a password system. Only the accounts you've approved will have the privilege to open the file. Now that you've restricted access to your chosen contacts, your file is significantly more secure. One final step is clicking on Done to save your changes. This ensures that the settings you've just configured are implemented. And that's it. You've successfully managed the sharing settings of a file on Google Drive, adding an extra layer of security to your personal data. Remember, keeping your files safe is not just about who can see them, but also about who can get in the first place. By managing these settings thoughtfully, you're taking control of your digital privacy. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was informative and easy to follow. Stay safe and secure out there, and feel free to explore other options within Google Drive to make the most out of your storage experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides. See you next time.